Hi, this is Madeline Chocolate, this IT 2A. In this video, in chapter 2, communicating over the network. So, how the classification land WAN and Internet still useful and new, and how might they actually be problematic in classifying networks. So, introduction. A wide area network WAN is a computer network covering multiple distance areas, multiple smaller networks such as local network or metro area network LANs or MANs. The world's most popular ones in the Internet. The key difference between WAN and a LAN MAN is scalability. Hence, one must be able to grow as needed to cover multiple cities, even countries and continents. One may be privately owned or rented from a service provider. A set of switches and routers are interconnected to form a WAN using both packet switching and circuit switching technologies. Packet switching allow users to share common carrier resources so that the carrier can make more efficient use of each infrastructure. In a packet switching setup, network must have connection into the carrier's network, and many customers share the carrier's network. The carrier can be then created virtual circuits between customers' sites by which packets of data are delivered from one to the other through the network. Circuit switching, on the other hand, allow data connections to be established when needed and then terminated when communication is complete. A good example of circuit switching is Integrated Services Digital Network or ISDN. When a router has data for a remote site, the switch circuit is initiated with the circuit number of the remote network. Virtual network, or VPN, is the technology widely used in the public switch network to provide private and secured one for the organization. VPN uses encryption and other techniques to make it appear that the organization has dedicated network while making use of the shared infrastructure of the WAN. With this capability, files can be shared from the head office of an organization to the branch offices online and real time. This is why SMSE should make use of this technology in order to improve productivity and service delivery. This network investigates how WAN implementation issues affect the operation of SMSE. With advancement of networking, companies may forget the lessons of the past. From the early days of the telephone through automated switching, packet switching, and gigabyte, terabytes, optical fiber, and wireless messaging, people seem to make the same mistakes in terms of lack of attention to cost of ownership, reliability, security, and availability. Data networks have brought a whole new way of doing business to the world, permitting rapid transmission of information. This is why most of organizations spend large sums of money to implement faster and more reliable networks. With business and economic globalization, which people are required to collaborate more close, frequently, and across greater distance. At the same time, network implementers have been consolidating service delivery into data-centrics. Data-centric consolidation offers large economic efficiency but places greater distance between data, application and end users, putting greater strength on applications' performance. Once has historically been implemented in a piecemeal fashion with little or no regard for delivering consistent one service among sites at a time when one performance needs to be optimized and done as careful as local area networks or LAN's performance. It unfortunately is more difficult than ever to accomplish. So how the classification LAN 1 and Internet still useful and how might they actually be problematic in classification network? Networking is referred as connecting computers electronically for the purpose of sharing information. Resources such as files, application, printers, and software are common information shared in a network networking. The advantage of networking can be seen clearly in terms of security, efficiency, manageability, and cost effectiveness, as it allows collaboration between users in a wide range. Basically, network consists hardware components such as computer, hubs, switches, routers, and other devices which form the network's infrastructure. These are the devices that play an important role in data transfer from the one place to another using different technologies such as radio waves and wires. There are many types of networks available in the networking industries, and the most common network are local area network or LAN, and a wide area network. One, a LAN network is made up of two or more computers connected together in a short distance, usually at home, office building, school. One is a network that cover wider area than LAN and usually covers cities, countries, and the whole world. It is important to ensure data collisions does not happen when these devices attempt to use data channels simultaneously. A set of rules called carrier scenes multiple access collisions detections are used to detect and prevent collisions in networks. A local area network or LAN is usually privately owned and links the devices in a single office, building, or campus. Depending on the needs of an organization and type of technology used, a LAN can be as simple as two desktops and a printer in some home office, or it can extended throughout company include audio and video peripherals. Currently, land size limited to a few kilometers. In addition to the size, land are distinguished from other types of networks by their transmission, media, and topology. In general, a given land will use only one type of transmission medium. LANs are designed to allow resources to be shared between personal computers or workstations. Early LANs had data rates in the 4 to 16 megabits per second. Today, however, speeds are normally 100 Mbps or 1000 Mbps. Wireless LANs are the newest evolution in LAN technology. A wide area network WAN provides long-distance transmission of data. Have a good day. This is Maveline Japolit, BSIT 2A. In this video, I will explain the importance of data networks as the platform for supporting business, communication, and the task of everyday life. In Chapter 1, Living in a Network-Centric World. The globalization of the Internet has succeeded after than anyone could have imagined. The manner in which social, commercial, political, and personal interaction occur is rapidly changing to keep up with the evolution of this network, of global network. Throughout human history, people, with new exceptions, have depended on structure of various community networks for safety, food, and companionships. People have been networking for a very long time. The ways in which humans interact are constantly changing as technical developments throughout history have come about. The methods of human communication have developed as well. At one time, sounds and gestures were all humans used to communicate. But now the internet allows people to instantaneously share all types of communication, documents, pictures, sounds, and video with thousands of people near and far using computers. In Chapter 1, I understand how people use network computers to learn, work, and play. Networks in our daily lives. The methods that we use to communicate are constantly changing and developing. Whereas we were once limited to face-to-face interactions, virtual technologies have significantly extended the reach of our communications. Networks connect people and promote unregulated communication. Networks are the platforms on which to run businesses, to address emergencies, to perform individuals, and to support education, science, and government. The Internet is the largest network in existence. With an Internet easy to access and instant information in Google, YouTube, instant messaging, Facebook, Wikipedia, online gaming, Netflix, iTunes, shopping online, quickly looking up phone, give numbers and map directions to various locations at the click of a finger. Networks support the way we learn. Like for example, now we experience online or e-learning because of the COVID-19 courses delivered over a network. These courses contain data, text, links, voice and video available to the students at any time from any place. Online discussion Online discussion groups and message boards enable students to collaborate with the instructor, with other students in the class, or even with students across the world. Blended courses can be combined instructor classes with online courseware to provide the best of delivery methods and easy to deliver outputs. In addition to the benefits for the students, networks have improved the management and administrations of courses as well. Some of these online functions include student enrollment, assessment delivery, and progress tracking networks. And the internet have changed everything we do. The way we learn, the way we communicate, how we work, and even how we play. Games, music, and TV are all enjoyed in significantly different ways than a decade ago due to challenges in network communications. Whatever form of creations we enjoy in the human networks, networks are improving our experience. The process of delivering messages across a computer network involves protocols defining agreements on how to deliver message between devices across a medium. The type of media and the devices used to deliver the message are subject to appropriate protocols as well. Converged data network can provide different types of services, including text, voice, and video messages between end user. So converged network provides business with an opportunity to reduce cost and offer users a variety of service and content. However, the design and management of converged network required extensive network knowledge and skills if all services are to be delivered as expected to user. So the architect of the interpage, the term of network architect refers to the conceptual plans on which physical network is built. A network architecture must provide scalability, fault tolerance, quality of service, and security. Cost is the important part of network planning that can affect user productivity. Prioritization of network data can allow an effective balance of data types following through the network. Security of network infrastructure and content will continue to be an essential element of a successful network as it directly affects user confidence. So in conclusions, all changes in network communication are due to a huge technological development. Therefore, data network can provide different types of communication service, text, voice, and video messages between end user and information. Yes, our daily lives have improved greatly thanks to the all technological advances that surround us. Now that we have access to more information, we should make good use of it in order to try to solve the problems that we have around the world. So that's all, and thank you. And,